Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a zoom effect in Premiere Pro. So firstly, open up your Premiere Pro. Then as you can see, I already have a footage in my timeline. So what you have to do in order to create a zoom effect is just simply click on the footage, go to the start of your video, then make two keyframes of one position and the second scale. Just simply click the stopwatch for making the first keyframes. Then go till the point where you want the zoom effect to end, which is somewhere over here. So now just simply scale it and position it according to you and your liking. And now if you play this back, there will be a nice smooth zoom effect. And if you want to make this zoom effect a bit faster, what you have to do is just simply select the end keyframes and drag it a little further somewhere over here. And now if you play this again, the animation will be much faster. So that's how you can create zoom effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.